back to another video. You're watching just at click.com, and today we are going to talk about another gadget from Lenovo out here. And when we talk about these amazing gadgets, then today's gadget is Lenovo ThinkPad 11E out here. Yes, this is an amazing version out here, giving a lot of specifications and a different variant from 11E out 2018 model. This is definitely a third generation model out here, offering you a great specifications and quite good resemblance to 11E 2018 version. Talking about this variant, we can say that this is a series from ThinkLite or ThinkPad. You can say that both the series are actually same out here. Offering you Windows operating system and a battery backup of approximately 5 to 5.5 hours. You can say like the run time or the work time is approximately 5 to 5.5 hours. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good screen size of 11.6 inches. Yes, diagonally, if you talk about the screen size, if you talk about this variant, then you can say that it has got 11.6-inch screen size, offering you good resolution out here. Resolution की बात करें, to talk about the resolution, then it has got 1366 into 768 pixel resolution. So this resolution is quite good out here. Talking about this variant, then we can say that the screen size design is absolutely same. If we talk about 2018 variant 11E out here, then this and this 11E third generation is absolutely same in the outer design. Talking about the outer design, both have got this screen size 11.6 inches screen size along with a good resolution and Windows operating system 64-byte computerizing out there along with a great space out there. So these are absolutely same. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, the difference lies out in the Intel processing system. Definitely processing system is different out here. What does this difference occurs out, or what does this difference mean? This difference clearly means that the variant out here offering you the specifications, then you get to see that it offers you Intel Celeron dual core out there. Yes, the core system is not quad core this time, quad core nahi hai. This is dual core out here since it's an old model out here, dual core hai. As well as you get to see Intel Celeron out there, but a normal, not an upgraded, and this is one is the initial version out there, you can say. Apart from that, it offers you a speed of 2.2 gigahertz. Yes, offering a speed of 2.2 gigahertz out there is quite good, not a bad variant, a good variant you can say. Apart from that, you get to have a cache memory of 2 MB. Yes, the cache memory is of 2 MB out here. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a RAM memory of 4 GB. Yes, the RAM memory of 4 GB can also be seen out here, which is quite good. If you talk about the installed memory, that is 4 GB installed memory out. Overall, talking about this variant, overall, if you talk about this variant, then this can be said as a good variant out here with these specifications so far. Talking about the design, let us talk about the design, structural design also. Then when we talk about the design, you get to see that it has got a jack system, audio input and output jack system. It has got USB connectors out there. It has got keys out there, multi-touch pad out there, a webcam. All the things can be integrated out here. And these things like audio input, output, a jack, or the audio or video output jacks out there, the outcome of video or the webcam is all connected with the graphical part. Talking about the graphical part, we can say that it has got a graphical processor of Intel integrated HD graphics. Yes, it has got Intel integrated graphics out there, that is HD graphics. Apart from that, you get to see that there is a dedicated graphical slotations. No, this is not seen out here in this variant. You will not get to see this variant out here. Intel integrated HD graphics part out there is not seen in this variant. Apart from that, if you talk about the storage capacity, if you talk about the internal storage out there, then you get to see that it does not offer you any hard drive. It's the hard disk drive are not here, but SSD storage is seen of 128 GB. So offering you 128 GB is quite good, not a bad variant. Jack systems are usually for the microphones inbuilt in it. Yes, since we are talking about the jacks, we are talking about the audio input output. It has got stereo deck speakers, microphones inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a great range of uh, productivity out there, or the sound quality is quite good. The jack systems out there along with USB connectors for multi-card reading, USB connectors out there, or pen drives, SD reading out there, these can also be seen. Whereas if we talk about the connectivities, then we can say that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity is also good. Bluetooth version 4.1 is seen along with Wi-Fi support of 802.11. Yes, this could be seen out here. Talking about this variant, then you will not find any touch type variant in this. Yes, touch type variant could not be seen out there. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this touch variant is not seen. So this is definitely going to affect a lot. Not affect a lot, but yes, there is a major difference out here because of this. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a good battery life, approximately 5 to 6 hours. With all these specifications, we can say that. Since it's an old model, so let us see the pricing also. Yes, because these kind of models are available out in the market with different pricing. And talking about the pricing, this is a site just at click.com. Yes, this is a site just at click.com which helps you to know your favorite gadgets. And this site offers you best pricing for your favorite gadgets out there. Yes, this site offers you your favorite gadgets in a pocketable rate. So that's a really amazing thing about this website. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited range. Yes, in a very limited range, you can search your favorite gadgets out here. Either you can write ThinkPad 11E out here, or you can also write Lenovo. Full name could also be specified out here. Since I am writing Lenovo 11E out here, so I have written Lenovo ThinkPad 11E out here, and I get to see that it is the third generation. So this is the result of our search, and when we check the results, we get to see a small description at the top and at the end also. Apart from that, it offers you a bag free. Yes, you can see there's a bag free out here. Along with that, you get to see product type condition is written as refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished word and the refurbished condition or the refurbished gadgets out. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, which we already know that the word itself, the word refurbished itself means creating something new like. Yes, it means that creating something new like, or creating again something from the old scraps out there. So this can be said that it is something new like product. Actually, refurbished products and the brand new products are quite similar out in structure, functionality, tests out there. Yes, they are quite similar out here. Apart from that, if we talk about the word refurbished, then we can say that refurbished and brand new are actually correlated. Every refurbished product was once a brand new product. Yes, every refurbished product is once a brand new product. And when we say about the brand new products, then we can say that they are the base or they are the sole reason for the refurbished products. Actually, the pathway which it follows is because of that we can say that they are quite correlated out there. Yes, now when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there's a common pathway followed out, that is the base, mediator, and the consumers out there. This is what is followed out in every aspect: base, mediator, and consumers out there. And when we talk about the base, then we can say that the base out changes every brand out there. Yes, base changes in the brand new and the refurbished product. Now, what is the base? Base is the origin from where that product is brought into the market or to the user out there. Yes, that is the base. And now, when we talk about the base, then we can say that in brand new products, the base is nothing else but the company itself, because it's the company which brings out the product in the market, gadget into the market after testings out there. So these are the things which are included in the base. So base is always the company which brings out the product in the market for only brand new. Now it is in the market. This is the marketplace. This is the mediator out here, bridge out here. Now what happens is that when you have this mediator out there, you have the marketplace. From here, the main thing starts. Then the consumers have to buy from here, or they can interact from this place. So this is actually what happens in brand new. Yes, this is what happens in brand new out here. And when we talk about this brand new product, then we can say that now the gadget is with the user. This consumer has the product out here. Now this product is known as a pre-owned gadget or is used by the user out here. Now this user becomes the base. Yes, this user becomes the base and brings out that to the marketplace when that person wants to resell that gadget. Yes, that person wants to resell that gadget. It does not mean that if a company has brought out in the marketplace and the shop or the site is selling, that is not actually refurbished. Refurbished is once our consumer, us users like us, have used that product and want to resell it, then it is called as refurbished product. But before calling it refurbished, it has to be brought in the market or the sites where it has to be tested, verified, so that it is actually absolutely like the company said about that. All the specifications should be that in that code. So this happens in the refurbished. Then once it is certified that it is good to use, then we bring it to the site and it is resold out here to the new users. You get to see the new users using this gadget out here. So another difference, or we can say the major difference out here, or we can say the difference along with the pathway lies in the testing out there. No, the tests are absolutely same, but what happens is once the gadget is brought in the market, that is a brand new gadget, it has to be tested out. The company itself tests it. But what happens in the refurbished product? The user who wants to resell it brings it to the site or the marketplace out here where it has to be tested before bringing it on that particular site, and the tests are done on that particular site itself. Apart from that, if we tell you about the test, then we are going to discuss about all the parameters. But before that, we are going to tell you what are the major differences. The differences are only lies in the pathway, and that the fact that the gadget or the refurbished gadgets are pre-owned. Otherwise, there is no other difference. The structure is same, the design is same, the functionalities are same. Even the functions and the tests are same for each and every gadget, which are considered as refurbished, ones which were brand new. Talking about the testing of these products, then we can say that the tests are also absolutely same, which were included for the brand new gadgets. Talking about the brand new and refurbished gadgets test, it includes the external and internal parameters. There are two different parameters, internal and external parameters. Now the external parameters includes the overall design out there. Yes, overall the design out there, like whether it's keyboard, it's multi-touch pad, mouse control, it's jack system, it's a webcam out here, the scratches out there, display, screen size, whether the logos are properly placed or not out there, even the touch screen is working properly or not. These are the external parameters. Talking about these parameters, we can say that the external parameters are quite important because it's first thing which comes in our mind was first thing we see in every gadget is the external parameters only, the design, the weight out there, the screen size, the placement of keys, touch screen, everything like the externally which we can see, which does not require any equipment out there. So these are the external parameters. Once it crosses all the external parameters, it is checked, it is verified, then it goes to the internal parameters, which includes the internal components. What are these internal components now? What are the factors which includes the internal components? Now the internal parameters includes the internal components like the CPU it uses, like which kind of processor it is using. Not just the processor, graphical processor out there, the internal processor out there, the speed of that processor you can say, or you can say the internal capacities out there. Everything has to be checked. Apart from that, the internal RAM, storage, compatibility, portability out there, drives, writers, USB connectors are connecting properly or not, internal connectivity, even it has to check all the internal parameters like the Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, microphones, the internal apps which it has like the desktop out there, even the My Computers app, like each and every gadget app has to be checked, like all the internal components. Once the components, whether it's internal, external, all the parameters are crossed, it is certified as refurbished or certified refurbished product. What happens if it fails in one parameter, or there is any damage out here? Then it has to be replaced. Yes, if any part is damaged out, then it has to be replaced with the original part out there from the company itself. Then it is considered as a refurbished or renewed product. So overall, if it fails by chance in any parameter, then it is disqualified or it is not brought on the site out there. But if it can be replaced, it can be you can say renewed, then it is done renewable product. So you can get assurance for the good quality product, good service providing out there with that gadget. So overall, it is a good parameters testing out there, which includes in the brand new as well as in refurbished. Now, there are few advantages of having a refurbished product, and one of them is the pocketable rate offering out here. Yes, you get to have a pocketable rate for your gadgets. Usually, what happens is that brand new products are actually expensive. They are quite expensive out here. But once it is considered as refurbished, when it is refurbished, then you can say that they are actually less expensive and are much pocket friendly rates out there. They become pocket friendly out here. Apart from that, this difference in the pricing allows you to have a great savings. Yes, it allows you to have a great savings of great amount out there, which you can invest in your other gadgets too. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty apart from having exchange policy and all. So, if we talk about the pre-owned gadgets, then usually when we buy from any sites without any condition out there, then they do not offer you any warranty period. But what happens with the refurbished product? They offer you 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. Yes, these are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy along with it. So these are the few benefits out here, and let us visit the site back to check whether it is offering out there or not. So we were at just at click.com. Yes, we were at just at click.com, and here we are going to see what are all these specifications. You get to have a category of all brand laptops where you get to see a list of brands which offers you great laptops out here. You get to see a search icon as well as a helpline number out here. Along with that, COD is also available out there. Yes, you get to see COD also. Along with that, you get to see that hassle-free shopping can be done out here, because you get to shop and you can pay on COD. Apart from that, it offers you free home delivery, money back guarantee, and online support system for 24/7. So, talking about the shipping timing or the shipping hours, because free home delivery hai, COD hai, then shipping hours timing is also important. You get to have 48 hours delivery time in most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi shipping out there. But yes, COD and other factors are included in that. Apart from that, visit our site for best pricing. Description has the link. You can check out the description, or you can go on Google and type just at click.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because here you get all the latest information for your laptops and PCs out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.